Hi, we are making a cheese sauce that is vegan. It is made out of potatoes and carrots and some spices, and I usually make macaroni and cheese with it. And this time we're making nacho cheese that we can put on potatoes or dip with chips. So it's going to be yummy. Our ingredients are 2 large potatoes. These are more of a medium-ish, medium large. So I'm going to use 3. 2 carrots. And I'm going to cut this half onion in half. So a quarter of a large onion. The spices that I put in this cheese sauce: a 1/4 cup of Nutritional yeast plus 1/8 of a cup, which is 2 tablespoons. Teaspoon of this ground mustard, and I put a teaspoon of salt in. The carrots are starting to get soft. I put them in first because they're harder. So the carrots are starting to get soft. So I'm putting the potatoes in so they'll be done cooking around the same time. Spoon these out of here into this Vitamix pitcher. You can stick a fork in these and they'll break in half, or they're very well done. And then I'm going to measure 2 cups of this water that the vegetables boiled in. You don't need a full 2 cups of water, but you need at least 1 full cup of water, and then water to add if you need more. This time, since we are making nacho cheese, we're going to put some jalapenos in this mix. These are very tame jalapenos, so that it's not too hot for the kids, but it has that really good jalapeno flavor that's really great in nacho cheese. And I put half of a regular size onion or a 1/4 of a big onion raw in here instead of onion powder. And then our spice mix. And then we will blend it up. So we will also chop up the hotter pickled jalapenos and chop up some fresh jalapeno for anybody who would like their cheese hotter, a little spicier.
How do you do it, Ariel?
I dip it in like this. Then stab a potato.
How do you like this jalapeno cheese? I mean nacho cheese, I didn't mean jalapeno. And
It's very yummy.
so if you can boil a potato and carrot,
You can make vegan cheese.
yum. Thank you
Yum.
for dinner.
You're welcome.